नमस्ते जी। मेरा नाम कोयल है और आप देख रहे हैं एसिड डैडी। आज हम आए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल लोकेशन पे, विच इज़ द साइट ऑफ टार्क इन सेक्टर 63A गुड़गांव। आइए अंदर चलते हैं। I am talking about Tarkishwa, the fourth project by Tark Limited. The name of the project is so unique. It is derived from the word Shiva, which means spiritual teacher. Now, before we get into the details of the project, let me tell you about Tark. They have more than 50 years of legacy and they have sold more than 50,000 DDA flats. They have the largest land parcel in Delhi and the third largest in Delhi NCR. They are listed in both NSE and BSE and has gained the trust of many FDIs all over the world. Dark only believes in luxury, spirituality and Vastu, which is clearly justified in the current project Ishva. It is unique and truly inspired by India. Everything here from design to the concept reflects Indian values, culture and tradition. It is designed with Vastu principles in mind to promote health, prosperity and harmony for future residents. Let's talk about the clubhouse, or should I say the crown jewel of the project. With around 1 lakh square feet of area, this clubhouse has 63 5-star amenities from indoor to outdoor activities like spa, gym, lush green spaces, a temperature-controlled Olympic-sized pool, luxury restaurants and so much more. Whether it's high-quality materials, Vastu design or green living, Dark Ishwa is not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Let's head inside and explore more. This is a sample flat at Tarkishwa. Now, as soon as you enter, you can see a beautiful private lobby area ensuring complete privacy and comfort. And as we enter the home, this space opens into a grand home with a beautiful foyer area giving a great first impression. Now, let's move on to the most beautiful area of this house, the living and dining area. I am literally awestruck at the decoration. It's so beautiful. Now let me give you a disclaimer. This place doesn't come with any movable items, although it does come with a fully furnished washroom and wardrobe. My most favorite part about the living and dining area is this deck area. It's so beautiful and full of greenery. There's a sliding glass door which opens up into the deck area. It's great for natural sunlight and ventilation. Now this area doesn't come up with a column, so you can have more access to the deck area. I really love the deck area. It's full of greenery and यहाँ पे शाम को बैठ के चाय पीने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. Now let me take you to the beautiful dining area which captured my eyes at the first sight. It's so beautifully decorated by the builder. So he has provided a 6-seater dining set and here you can spend quality time with your family or friends. A great thing about this apartment is that there's a powder room just next to the dining area. Now moving on to the next part, which is the kitchen area. Just opposite to the living and dining area comes the kitchen area. It is a fully furnished modular kitchen which comes with Bosch fittings and furnished cabinet. What I really like about the kitchen is that it's connected to a deck as well. This is the utility area which is directly connected to the kitchen and the servant room. Let me show you the servant room as well. Here we enter and it is so beautifully decorated as well. It comes with a split AC and a fully furnished washroom as well. And the best thing about this room is that it's completely separate from the rest of the house and is directly connected to the main lobby. अब मैं आपको ले चलती हूँ ब्रह्मस्थान की तरफ। इधर आप अपने फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ आराम से रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन नेटफ्लिक्स एंड चिल एज वेल। इसको आप अपना प्यारा सा होम थिएटर एरिया भी बना सकते हैं। Now let me take you to the next segment of the house, which is the kids' bedroom. As we enter the kids' bedroom, we come across this cozy and comfortable decor in this room. This room comes with a private deck and attached washrooms and built-in wardrobes. And सबसे best part ये है that the kids' room is also connected to a private deck, जहाँ पे natural sunlight and ventilation बहुत अच्छी मिलेगी। किड्स रूम होने के बाद भी ये रूम काफ़ी स्पेशियस है एंड सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये है दैट द रूम कम्स विद अ वुडन फ्लोरिंग। सो अगर पानी भी गिरा है, बच्चे भाग दौड़ रहे हैं तो वो गिरेंगे नहीं। सो जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू द किड्स रूम इज द जूनियर मास्टर बेडरूम विच कम्स विद बिल्ट इन क्लोजेट एंड अ वॉक इन क्लोजेट एज वेल, यानी कि स्टोरेज की बहुत सारी स्पेस है यहाँ पे। एंड द वॉशरूम इज डिसेंटली डेकोरेटेड, इट कम्स फुली डन अप। Now moving on to the bedroom area, it's quite spacious as well and it is connected to a private deck. Now the best part about this bedroom is that there is great cross ventilation. You just have to open this door and that window and there you go. Now opposite to the junior bedroom is the master bedroom, and as we enter we can see how huge it is. It is so spacious that you can walk around freely here, and a great thing about this room is that it has a private deck and one junior balcony as well, जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में कहीं नहीं मिलती है। The second unique thing about this room is that it has a panic button and geyser button just next to your bed. Let me show you my most favorite part of this room, the walk-in closet. This is a huge walk-in closet and I really love how spacious it is. There is so much of storage space here. And this is connected to a washroom which is so beautifully decorated. And the most unique part about this washroom is that it comes in two parts. This is the first shower area and this is the second shower area, जो एकदम resort जैसा feel देता है। Let me take you to the last segment of this house, which is the guest room. Now, as we move towards the guest room, we can see that even the corridor has windows. Now, moving on towards the room, we can see that it's quite spacious as well. Now, this room also comes up with done-up wardrobes and a fully furnished washroom. This room is separate from the rest of the house so that there is no disturbance. Now this is the only room in the apartment that doesn't have a balcony, but it has a sliding glass door which can give you access to ventilation and natural sunlight. The floor to ceiling height is approximately 11.2 feet. The living and dining area and the kitchen is furnished with Italian marble. So this was the tour of the sample flat at Tark Ishwa. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and अगर आपको कोई भी query या doubt हो तो don't forget to drop a comment or WhatsApp or call us on this given number. और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें and हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। See you in the next video. Bye.